Hi and welcome to No Second Season. So I want to try and film the magpies, see if they'll chase me. And I'm just going to put the peak back on my mountain bike helmet. I've got a GoPro mount on here. I don't think I've shown you this. I've got this GoPro mount and it's got two mounting points, so I can slot it in or I can screw it on. So that's quite handy. I think it's a Telesin make, and it didn't cost any more than the normal ones really, the normal clamps. So I'm going to slot that on my helmet. Now, as it's not central, I'm not going to get a very pretty angle on this, but I think that'll do. So I don't know if you can see, that'll be the view. I'll put it on wide or super wide, and hopefully I'll be able to catch the magpies if they chase me. So let's go for a little ride. Right, let's go for a ride down here. This is where the magpie attacks, usually here. Here comes one. Oh. So that was my footage of the magpies swooping me. I realised the camera angle wasn't very good, so I went again 2 more times up and down the road and they didn't swoop me. So that's the best I could get. Now the clicking noise, I don't think it is them actually making contact with your helmet, which I thought it was. It seems to be a noise they make and it's very loud. I was really worried for my ear. It was swooping towards my ear and making that noise. It was very loud. Anyway, that shows you why people in Australia put cable ties on their helmets. And also I've just seen someone put some stickers on the top of their helmet in the shape of 2 big eyes. So it looks like an animal or something looking at them. So I'll close this video here. So until next time, bye for now.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha. Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.